from the opulent journey of the future. Greetings. Set away your RV expertise. In 2026, the British luxury giant Bentley daringly ventures into uncharted ground with its camper design. This is more than just a car. It's a statement. The gigantic eye-catching alloy wheels, the flowing bodyline strengthened with carbon fiber and rich chrome, and the big matrix grills on each side of the sleek adaptive LED headlights all combine to create a gorgeous beast that perfectly embodies Bentley's spirit. Despite its massive size, Bentley's unique elegance and speed survive. There's an equally fantastic engine below all that luxury. A state-of-the-art plug-in hybrid drivetrain including a powerful electric motor and a twin-turbocharged V6 or V8 engine optimized for economy and power is expected to power the 2026 Bentley Motorhome. The total output may provide over 700 horsepower and massive amounts of instantaneous torque, even for a huge automobile, ensuring flawless and seamless acceleration. Its all-electric range would also allow it to move swiftly and without emitting any pollutants. It's the perfect combination of style, functionality, and environmental awareness. The dashboard welcomes you as a technological and design wonder as soon as you step inside. The main attraction is an ultra-wide, curved touchscreen infotainment display that spans nearly the entire length of the dashboard and combines vehicle controls, 3D navigation, and an inventive infotainment system. It has the best leather, hand stitching, polished chrome or aluminum hardware, and lovely burr wood inlays. The fully configurable digital instrument panel displays all pertinent data in an intelligible format. Solid metal buttons are one-of-a-kind works of art that feel good to the touch. The inside living area is a luxurious, mobile lounge. The thick, quilted leather seats and couches are very comfy and electrically adjustable. Options include a dining table that folds and hides, a big L-shaped sofa, or even swivel captain seats. Unobstructed views are provided by large panoramic side windows with electrically adjustable opacity. A unique audio system from a reputable source that offers concert-caliber music and adjustable LED ambient lighting creates the perfect ambience. You are immediately taken to a peaceful sanctuary as soon as you step into the bedroom. An orthopedic mattress designed especially for a king-size bed is covered by the finest silk linens. There is a walk-in closet with many storage drawers and inside lighting to meet all of your needs. You can also adjust the lighting, window shades, and temperature with a touch-sensitive control panel next to the bed. And there's a hidden flat-screen TV that only switches on when needed. Its calm surroundings and isolation from the outer world provide for a restful night's sleep. The bathroom is your own haven, designed to the standards of a 5-star hotel. It has heated marble flooring, 2 sinks with gold or chrome faucets, and an advanced smart toilet. Consistent water pressure is provided by the rain shower head and body jets of the full-size shower. Bright lighting, state-of-the-art ventilation, and an anti-fog mirror complete the rejuvenating shower experience, providing unparalleled travel comfort. Despite being a gourmet haven, the Bentley Motorhome's kitchen is both fashionable and functional. The worktops are made of marble or high-quality quartz. Built-in kitchen appliances from renowned manufacturers such as Gaggenau and Sub-Zero include full-size refrigerators and freezers, induction cooktops, convection ovens, microwaves, and dishwashers. Included are a wine refrigerator, an espresso maker built right in, and a ton of sturdy cabinet storage with soft close mechanisms. With this kitchen, you can prepare delectable meals from any location.